This video will show you how to use Google Tour Builder. To get to Google Tour Builder, you can Google Tour Builder, or you can go to toolbuilder.withgoogle.com. Once you get here, make sure you're signed into your school Google account. You know that by the upper right-hand corner here. And then you can create a tour, give it a title, make it relevant to where you're going for your summer vacation. So, summer vacation project. I'll just do Richmond. And then put your name. When you start your Google Tour Builder, you'll have this introduction slide that has the tour name, your name, and then tell the story, and then this photo. Under tell the story, this is where you can include your details about leaving from Richmond, all your different prices of your flights, and all that sort of information. To add a photo to this particular portion, what you will do is you will download the photo to your computer. Okay, so I'm going to go, let's just, Richmond, Virginia skyline. So there are two things you can do. If you control click or command click on your Chromebook, you see copy image address, or you can save the image as. We'll do both ways real quick. If you copy image address, then in Tour Builder, I can add an image by URL and get it there. If you want to add an image from your computer, you would control click, save image as, and then you'd put it in your downloads folder. And now I can bring it in by going to upload photos and then select it. So there are two ways to bring in images. Okay? When you're ready to add a new location, you can click Add Location. This is where you'll put your 4 stops. So let's say I'm going to Paris, France for one of my stops. I'll hit Add to Tour. Now, there's a really unique thing you can do with this view over here on the right. If one of your stops is, let's say, the Eiffel Tower, okay, instead of just Paris, France, you could do Eiffel Tower. And then if you zoom in, you can actually move the stickman or pegman to one of the blue areas and get the street view of the tower. So if you want to find a specific landmark that way, you could do it. And the reason I'm showing you this zoom out feature is because you can click this lock this view button to lock on the view that you select for your location. So you could lock on a map of the city, you could lock on the street view, you could lock on a kind of bigger picture of where you're going. So really think about what works for your particular tour. So I'll click lock, and then under each little slide you have the location name, you have add photos and videos, which you would do the same way as under the introduction slide. You can ignore the start and end date, and then this is where you'll paste the information from your graphic organizer about this stop. To make links, let's say you have a link to a one of your websites that you did your research on. I'll just put the word link here. I can highlight the word, click link, and then I would paste the URL of a link right here. So for example, and now when I'm giving my presentation, I can click that link to open to that window directly. Okay. When you are done, you can click the Done button and it should save automatically. And then you can check what your presentation looks like by going to the 3 bars, play full screen, and you can play through your presentation. So that is how to use Google Tour Builder.